Welcome back to ASMR Foot and Body Care Chronicles. Welcome to ASMR Foot and Body Care Chronicles. Here, you'll find soothing ASMR sessions, relaxing treatments, as therapeutic massage, and mindful care for feet and body, as fungus toenails removal. If you enjoy this calming space, don't forget to subscribe and join our community for exclusive experiences. Here, each moment is a healing retreat for both body and spirit. I'm your guide in gentle foot care and tender storytelling. Today, before we begin today's relaxing session, I invite you to pause, breathe, and embrace a tale of resilience, quiet strength, and latent life inspiration. This reflects the same care and compassion I offer in every ASMR foot treatment we share here. This isn't just medical foot care, it's a wellness ritual, combining professional technique with a serene environment, elevates the experience into something luxurious. Every patient leaves with lighter, healthier feet and a refreshed sense of confidence, proving that small acts of care can bring big changes in well-being. Toenails are gently treated to remove damaged layers and restore a healthier surface. Every step is done with precision and care, making the process both effective and relaxing. If you or someone you know is dealing with fungal nails, don't wait. Early care makes all the difference. And here on ASMR Foot Care Chronicles, we're not just healing feet. We're telling stories of transformation, one soothing session at a time. There's something incredibly satisfying about watching thick layers being trimmed away. It's more than just a visual, it feels restorative. As gentle raindrops fall, and the soft sounds of birds mingle with distant thunder, each careful trim peels away thick layers. Let your mind drift and unwind. This isn't just a pedicure, it's a slow, soothing healing, one calm motion at a time. Thank you for watching ASMR Foot and Body Massage and Care Chronicles. If you find this video relaxing and informative, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can also support our work by joining the members community, sending a super thanks, or using the links in the description to help us continue producing high quality, relaxing, and educational foot care content.